Before we continue our discussion on external editing preferences, we need to build an understanding of some key terms. Since the start of this course, we've already tossed around a number of file format types. We referenced JPEG files, TIFF, RAW, and DNG. But what do all these mean, and why are there so many? Firstly, it's important to understand that your digital image file is composed of bits of data. A wider depth of colors in your photos equates to more data and consequently a larger file size. To prove this point, I'll do a quick demonstration. In Photoshop, I still have that image open that we worked on earlier. This is a full color image. I'll go ahead and save this file on my desktop as a JPEG. And I'll call this sample 1. Change the format to JPEG. For the quality, I'm setting it to maximum. Now I'm going to save this exact same file again, but before I do, I'm going to convert it to black and white. And I'll save it as sample 2. Format again is JPEG, and the quality again is maximum. Now you can see the two files here on my desktop, sample 1 and sample 2. One is full color, the other is black and white. That is the only difference between these two images. Let's see the file size of the full color image. We can see that the file size here is 2.9 megabytes. Now let's see the file size of the black and white image. This image is only 1.6 megabytes. Since black and white photos consist of a smaller color spectrum, the file size is also smaller.